Okay, guys, so we are in Minecraft, and we are hearing, like, this weird warden sound. I don't know what it is, what the heck it is at all, but I feel like it's something it's really creepy. Just, like, listen, and then hopefully we hear it again. But we heard it twice. Well, my brother has. I just heard it for the first time. It is creepy. We're not even close. We're up on the surface. And there's no deep dark. We're right next to a cave, and there's no deep dark in there. So my question is, it sounds like a demonic warden, but hopefully we see it. But hopefully not at the same time. So we're getting into Minecraft again because I don't know. Zane, you want to play with us?
I don't hear it anymore.
All I saw was the game case. I only found the game case, but this wasn't even in.
I don't even know. Jaden, you want to play with us? On my phone? I'm playing on this, though, because I'm recording.
Oh. Yeah. I slept all that time.
Wow.
It should be right there.
Well, I'm going to join. It's weird, isn't it? There we go. Zane, play. Come on, play. Play, monkey.
Ah!
So this is super creepy, guys. I don't know what this is. My brother said, Zane recommended us making a recording, so that's what I'm doing right now. All right, we're in. Yeah, you see, like, that's normal. We just hear like a of the warden, and I'm like, what the heck is that?
My question is, like, are you normally can you normally hear warnings from above ground?
I don't know. I don't think you can. Like, you're not supposed to. Yeah. Wait, hold on. My question is, how are you even hearing it if the only way you can see the thing or hear the thing is if you go next to a shrieker? Oh, a creeper. Bye-bye. Yeah, that's weird. Ooh, some slime balls. We can use these. Ooh, an axolotl. Axolotl. I want it.
I don't got nowhere to put it.
I'll make. Oh, well. / give @s. Buttons.
Owie! No.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Or the axolotl.
He's probably in the water.
Where'd he go?
He's probably in the water. I said.
Fucking rotten flesh. What's up, baby girl?
What? Where'd the axolotl go? It just disappeared out of nowhere.
Oh, so I guess that's how you. I guess that's how you do that.
You / give @s and then let you know.
Yeah, I tried that before, but it didn't work.
Where's Brandon? I'm left alone. Oh, he's right there. Ow. What the shit, man? My inventory is full. What? The game lagged.
It's probably gonna kick you.
Why? Huh? Are you done?
No,
What are you doing?
I'm recording too. Because this shit needs to be recorded. Oh, that's
Go get on my phone. Go look for my phone. You have to play with this too. There's no mods, so it should work. Don't use a controller. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back.
What the beep? Oh my god, either way,
Zane, can you call my phone?
Damn!
This is so weird. hold you down. Don't. No.
Walls, but I also need to tell you something. So on that tablet, or like the same tablet at our house, on that, like at our house, this one, you know how we have that. So when I was watching YouTube on it, there was this video. It was like the Roblox chat one thing, and I saw, you know, the Big Bird from Sesame Street. It was like a nightmare version of him. He appeared on like a lamppost and then he was gone. I swiped down. I swiped down to, off the short, and then I swiped back up to the short, and then it wasn't there anymore. Like literally.
Yeah, we're both recording.
It's like a warden, but it sounds very creepy.
It's like demonic.
I don't know.
It's like, whoa! And I'm like, what the heck
What's
is
even
that?
weird is the fact that
I don't know.
I've been hearing this sound
In the overworld.
and above ground. Okay, usually you can hear a warden if you're close by to it,
Or
if
if you're in deep dark and you shriek
but
or
I
it.
was
But.
I was above ground. And
Yeah.
I heard it.
Yeah, I was with him, and we
Right
went
now,
into a cave and it quit.
I am in a cave right now and it stopped. So right now I'm going. Ooh, emerald.
That's his.
Oh, wait, yeah,
Yeah, but
yeah.
because his that phone can't play Minecraft phones. Well, I'm gonna look for my phone real quick.
Like, I've been hearing this weird demonic sound. And it's like
I don't know where my
I
phone's
don't know
at.
if it's demonic or not.
It's
But
probably in my
I've
backpack.
been hearing it on the overworld. I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna let
Look for
y'all
my backpack
hear it
and
real quick.
I must sit here.
Hold up.
This looks to be Zane. He can.
I need to get where is it?
I don't know. Junior, I need my chair.
Oh, the kitties are on it.
Cats are on my back.
Kitty on the backpack, kitty on the backpack. They're big bags. They're big bags. I was like doing this to the black kitty.
I don't know where my phone's at.
To
I guess
the-
you're not feeling it.
No, I was getting closer like this because the wrist.
I need my chair.
No. Yeah. No. I'm using it first.
You're standing up anyway.
See, just use one of these chairs. See, just use one of these chairs. It's fine.
I have my
I
chair.
can't remember.
I'm in the deep dark right now.
Do you hear anything?
No, but I'm in the deep dark.
Oh, he spawned in the deep dark.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You went there.
Me and you both went.
Yeah. And I looted it.
Let's hope we sear something, guys. Let's burn it.
Is this the end?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Is this it?
Oh, there's something like looks like something has been in here. A little bit.
Zombie.
This does not look like natural
yes, I use
spawn.
iron golems to kill zombies and other mobs. Okay. Don't. That's good. Just go.
Or I'll kill you.
Why do you use those to kill?
Because it makes it easier. Because playing on phone and stuff is way harder to play and kill things.
Is this? It's dark outside.
I have iron golems in my
Yeah, this
inventory
is not
too.
the exit.
Where's the exit?
You know what?
It don't matter. It's got an exit now,
Are you
doesn't it?
playing on like a seat or something?
No. Well,
Yes. This is a seed.
we're playing on a horror feed.
Ooh. Now I really wish I could play.
Look for my phone, and if you find it, you can play.
Ooh, iron.
Yeah, iron.
Ooh,
Oh, come on!
Alright.
Air has turned.
For what? Help wanted one?
Yes. We're gonna actually have to delete it every day.
Here, I got this.
I'm gonna sleep real quick.
Come on.
'Cause it's night.
What game can we delete that? We want that. We have to delete it again.
Back at base.
I feel like one.
Okay. to sleep.
You know, I don't care about the Sonic movie.
That's fine. I don't play it no more anyway.
I don't even
Let me see it. Let me see
Oh, I
it.
see it, I see it.
The noise came from down there somewhere. I don't want a bunch of fucking rotten flesh.
I'm gonna get rid of some stuff in my inventory.
See, I hear it.
I hear it too.
And it gets louder as you go down here. It's somewhere right here. Okay, I'm hearing this noise, dude. Does that sound like a warden?
No, it sounds like a demonic
I'm getting a
one.
deep dart sound effect. Wait, I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna go into spectator mode and see if I see anything.
Go ahead.
Dude,
Should not be possible, right?
bro, guys, listen. Guys, hear this?
Yes, I hear that.
This is insane.
I don't even know where to start
Did you
looking.
see something?
I don't even know where to start looking for your phone.
There's no way we're
go
hearing the warden.
check my backpack.
Because listen, we are so
And if
far
it's
away.
not-
Look,
What other game can I
we're
complete?
here.
Because
We
It's
are
gone.
at the surface.
It stopped.
So look, here we are at the surface.
look,
Go
And
back.
here's the nearest cave.
Go back.
Bro. It moved.
Black Ops 4.
Where is it?
You guys hear that? This is so creepy, right? I'm gonna eat some food real quick.
It stopped.
Creepy, man?
Right here now.
It's looks like it's following me. I think it's following the bottom of me. I'm gonna dig down.
See it?
I'm gonna dig down.
yeah, I can hear them.
But how am I hearing it from above ground?
Guys, it's gone once I checked down.
It must be that.
What?
That's the actual warden.
It wasn't creepy all along. That's
There ain't no way.
No, but like, how are we hearing it from above ground?
Nobody's hearing it. If you're
How
above ground,
far away is it?
it must be like, you might just have to get down like 3 blocks.
down, like way down here.
Yeah, but I don't get it.
Oh! How does that work?
Dang,
How do
this
you
sucks.
hear a
I'm
warden?
still recording though, even though this.
How do you hear a warden from above ground?
I don't know. Let's just go play normal now. Wait,
Wait a
it's
minute.
not that warden.
No, it's not.
This is going, and that one's gone.
That ain't a warning.
Wait.
It don't sound that loud. That's definitely a possessed warden. There ain't no way. You can't hear it. It's not that loud.
You're right.
Not only that,
That's not the same sound.
I can't hear it from up here, which means it's something different.
What is it? Where'd it go?
It's gone now.
It's gone.
not only that,
Bro, I'm lagging so bad.
I'm not.
it's because of the creature. It's because of that.
Wait, what's down there? It's coming from down there.
Not only that, that's not the sound that warden made. It's a different sound.
That's right, it's not that warden.
It's different. That's not a warden.
Bro,
It's
it
not a
sounds so
warden.
close.
It's not so close.
Guys, I'm underwater and the sound did not change. It's supposed to deepen a little bit when you go underwater. There's something definitely going on over there.
What is it?
It has to be. Oh, I don't know what's making noises and just not attacking us.
I'm
dang.
gonna slash kill it. I'm gonna do it right now because I'm lagging.
Wait, actually, let's see if that does something.
Yeah, let's. We did once.
Did it go?
I don't hear it.
Oh, I think it knows it's. Yeah,
Did I
it's
hear it?
scared.
Maybe. No. I don't. It's gone.
So what, do you only hear it on that spot?
don't get it.
Here, I'm gonna try it.
But the thing is, Iron Golems died.
Experience orb? Wait, it's not on there. It's not on there.
Let's see if I hear it again.
Yeah, it's not on there. So it's definitely not an entity. It's got to be something else.
I'm lagging.
What the heck?
Now I'm lagging.
This is so creepy.
I stopped lagging so much.
I don't hear it.
Here, Zane, call my phone real quick.
Please, I need to find it.
I don't hear it.
So,
Did it work?
I think
Where
there's...
did you last have it?
I don't know.
Did you even bring it inside?
Yeah. Zane, go check the car. Go check the car. Yes.
Yeah, check the car.
I don't hear it.
So that was definitely an entity. Then. It was just that warden glitched out or something.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's not going off, so.
Like I've been noticing that something is not right with this world. What was that?
No, but I heard something.
Where?
It was like a really low growl.
Where?
I'm in the middle of the pale forest.
Here, I'll
Pale
tell
garden. But I swear, I just heard the lowest growl in Minecraft I have ever heard.
So it's definitely not a wolf.
And there's no way.
Found it? Okay.
There's no way it was a freaking.
Yeah, the freaking only spawn at night.
I did mine a heart though.
Here, let me see it.
You know what's crazy? Like I
My
have
phone,
had
just give me
this, like
What's on that controller
this
right there?
this world that I created.
What's on that black
I've had
controller
that-
right there?
I had this feeling that I'm not alone. Oh, what's
I'm
that?
setting it to
Did you just hear that? I heard like a
That might have been the creaking.
it wasn't. I know because the creaking don't make a noise like that.
It probably was the flowers.
No, a-hole.
The flowers make that sound.
I'm freaking out. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think you're added, Brandon. You're not added to my phone. Jaden, you can't play. Well, Zane's off the Switch. Just play Help Wanted.
How am I already dying again? I'm gonna have to get 9 kills of golden apple.
Well, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.